Hello, friends. This is Natasha from the Cryptemic Academy. In this episode, we will discuss key news about cryptocurrencies, markets, and fintech in a simple and understandable way. Stay with us. Ethereum experiences a failure after the Fusaka update. After the update, an error occurred in one of the clients, Prism. The network slowed down, some validators dropped out, and several blocks were missed. Losses were estimated at about $1 million. The network held up thanks to Ethereum using different clients instead of just one. Vivo Power launches a $300 million fund related to Ripple. Investors from South Korea are offered investments in Ripple shares through the fund without purchasing XRP. This is a way to invest in the company rather than the token itself. The crypto market confidently starts in 2026. BTC remains above $93,000, with demand supported by ETFs and renewed interest from major players. Options are increasingly betting on a rise to $100,000, but analysts warn of possible sharp pullbacks. Upbit lists ZK Sync, ZK. The largest exchange in Korea adds the ZK Sync token with trading against KRW-BTC and USDT. This opens direct access for the Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem to one of the most active markets in the world. Aster has emerged as a leader in DeFi derivatives. The platform showed $6.6 billion in turnover from perpetual contracts in a day, more than its closest competitors. Traders are increasingly choosing on-chain derivatives over centralized exchanges. $500 million in Telegram bonds are frozen in Russia. Due to sanctions, payments on the papers stored in the National Settlement Depository remain in question. Meanwhile, Telegram's business is growing, but debt and legal uncertainty persist. Bybit adds the White Whale token. The project is engaged in cross-chain arbitrage and was previously mainly available to DeFi users. Listing on Bybit opens it up to millions of traders. Cryptocurrency regulation in the US may be postponed until 2027. The Clarity Act is being discussed, but politics is slowing down the process. Complete and clear rules for the market may only emerge in a few years. The sale of BTC by the US Department of Justice raised questions. The agency sold confiscated bitcoins, despite earlier claims of creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Doubts have arisen about how coordinated the actions of government structures are. Bitcoin has dropped to $91,550. Despite the positive news from MSCI, the market corrected after the rise. Analysts are talking about profit-taking and the risk of a decline to $88,000 to $89,000 in the short term. Wyoming has launched the first state-backed stablecoin in the US, $FRNT. The token is fully backed by dollars and government bonds under state control. The FRNT is already available through Kraken and the Visa infrastructure and could serve as a model for other regions. This is where our issue comes to an end. What do you think? Will Ethereum be able to avoid similar failures in the future? Will $FRNT become a model for other government stablecoins? And will Bitcoin stay above $90,000 without new growth drivers? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you want to delve deeper into cryptocurrency trends and learn how to work effectively with assets, check out the Cryptemic Academy. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next issue.